संसद के बजट सत्र के दूसरे चरण में दिवाला और शोधन अक्षमता संहिता संशोधन विधेयक 2020 राज्यसभा में पास हो गया।
मैं पुराने बिहार से आया हूँ। वहाँ पे हमारे पास डालमिया नगर एक जगह होता था जहाँ पे हमारे पास में सीमेंट उद्योग, कागज़ उद्योग, इंजीनियरिंग उद्योग और पता नहीं क्या क्या उद्योग थे। लेकिन आज वो पूरा शहर भुतहा हो रखा है। वहाँ पे कोई बस्ती नहीं है, सारे लोग भूखे मर रहे हैं। मैं सोचता हूँ कि क्या उस समय एक IBC आता या इस तरह का कोई प्रावधान आता या होता तो क्या वो उद्योग आज चल नहीं रहा था, क्या वो बिहार को आगे और तरक्की के रास्ते में नहीं बढ़ा लेता।
Sir, I understand that since 2017, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 times ordinance and 4 times amendment were brought for rectification of this act and bill. Is it not the confusive attitude of the government, lack of knowledge, lack of proper interpretation, lack of proper implementation on this subject?
This bill could have been brought in the house as a bill itself. Why as an ordinance?
Yes.
There was no rationale, and in fact the minister miserably failed to explain the urgency of such an ordinance.
Yes, the amendments are coming consciously. Yes, the amendments are coming periodically because we are responding to the requirements of the people outside the industry, leaders, MSMEs, inclusive, and their needs. So it is being done. And again, there is a need that there is no hiatus left in the outside world. That hiatus itself can create a lot of disturbance and confusion. Some cases are pending, some cases are awaiting final verdict, some cases are in the process of being heard. But if the continuation in law is not there and the hiatus creates in its own realm a kind of a problem, that is got to be avoided. And that is the reason, even as we are coming periodically with several amendments, the need for simultaneously, as though in a tango, we are bringing in ordinances, it's because we don't want to leave that gap at all.
देखिए संसद संवाद सिर्फ राज्यसभा टीवी पर।